Hi, today is Sunday the 20th, and this is the SPX outlook for the coming week. Last week was finally a little bit eventful. I mean, we saw the market grinding higher, even though there was some profit taking early June, but basically kept on grinding, and came FOMC with a last butt of bullishness to reach the 20 to 60 or even a little bit above. And if you remember, I had plotted a fib expansion pattern from here, and the actual target is around 40 to 70. Then we had what should have been a normal reaction actually from FOMC. Commonly the market does the opposite on the day after, on the Thursday. So I mean, not really a surprise. The market starting falling to 4200, tried to claw back to almost 40 to 40, and then on Friday, boom, down to 4154. As I said before, when the market was hovering, I said, well, 4180 has not been tested yet, so and that's probably the reason why the market went back up for a short while. Now I think we are ready for a down move. Finally, we had a very good day in terms of volume on Friday, 6 billion shares traded. So this makes this down move a little bit more valid, so to say. So now let's go back to our chart. Now, I would say the strong support is on 4140. Something I've said over and over on Slack is that 4140 would be the first important test level, and even below, we should even be looking at 4060, basically where the lows are here. Even went down to 4035 on May the 12th or 13th. So now, tomorrow we could have a follow through to 4140. I suspect the market will bounce from there. This is a strong fib. The 61.8 is a strong fib on 4140. Well, we do have this fib on 4160. So, okay, maybe we'll have some hesitation. But I think the selling pressure is now serious. So, yes, 4140 sounds like a good bet. Now, let's go to the daily chart. The daily chart, as you can see, it looks again here that we've broken something that was it looked like a trend or a channel. Of course, it was too early to confirm, but here as well we see that we have a strong support on 4140. We see the pivot line on this time frame. So yeah, we could have probably a week of a downtrend. Now, if we look at the overall bull run for a month, this is still not that much. So because the Fed message was still pretty much dovish, even though nobody believed it, there will probably be still people wanting to take the market higher. So an outright bear market would take much longer to form, in my opinion. So on this one, 4140 again, 6040, I mean, this would be a more important level, because if this one breaks, yes, we could go back to a previous range, probably definitely below 4,000, and eventually even going back to 3750. But again, I don't see that happening anytime soon. Now, finally, for tomorrow, here on the 1 hour chart, we see the pivot is on 4140, and of course it will determine whether the market is more comfortable north or left of this one, so that's an important level. The 4220 is now turned strong resistance, which is good because it probably will limit the chances of a strong bounce back. The bounce back would maybe be on the fib level somewhere around here, 4200 maybe. But yes, the market is probably going to go down to 4140, and here we've got the strong support already down to 4060. Okay, so all time frames are more or less well aligned for the market to turn bearish. Here we see that expansion to 4160. The next one is on 4114, and the following one would be on 4040. And 4040 is more or less the trough we had in May, just below 4060. So yeah, probably some bearishness, but the bulls are not done and out yet. So they will be definitely moved up and down. But overall, the bears are having the upper hand, and they will probably have the upper hand for the whole week. Okay, that is it for now. Updates on Slack as usual. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.